Honor is launching X6e smartphone. It has a large display, a powerful processor, and a long-lasting battery. In terms of display, it features a TFT LCD touchscreen display with a 6.61 inches screen size and 720 by 1604 pixels and 120 Hz refresh rate. Honor X6e battery is a massive one that is 7500 mAh with 45 watt fast charging. It will be powered by Mediatek Helio G81 Ultra 12nm chipset and 2 GHz Octa-core CPU. It has a 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage with a dedicated memory card slot to expand the memory. It will feature a 50 megapixel back main camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. The price is $173 US. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.